are new to my video, you can press the like button and also subscribe. Thank you. Hello guys, good afternoon. This is Matt Anton IT and welcome to my vlog for this moment. I'll be showing you guys some rail track here in Ilorin Town. There are some places whereby the train actually passes, and you just hear the sounds and they move. That's all. But here I really trace this place from where I really reside, all right, to this present location. So here I am, let me say, in the not really village but town as well, so this is Ita-Alamu in Ilorin, Kwara State, Nigeria. So behind me you can see some, let me say, the rail track. So I'll be showing you guys closely what I have to say. So guys, let's do it. So welcome back guys. As it is, this is called Ita-Alamu in Ilorin, Kwara State, Nigeria. So I'm moving close to the rail track. All right, so I think the train actually passes twice in a week. Can you see? So vehicles actually pass through some places as well. Can you see? So vehicle passes through some rail track, but you can see so this is the rail track, and several people actually passes through. Yes sir. Okay, like you see, several people passes through the rail track to their own destination. You can see this man, I greeted him few minutes ago, and he is passing through the rail track to his destination. Can you see? Yeah. So like I was told, the train actually passes through here twice in a week, like I think in the Tuesdays and Saturdays. So very soon the train will pass through this arena to some other location, like is it Offer? Yeah, like Offer, and then some other nearby. So can you see? I want to move a little bit forward. So they renew this rail track few months ago. There was a little bit of let me say reconstruction of the rail track few months ago. So but it's very easy to pass at the moment. So there are some few advantages of using the train, although to some people it's very slow, but as for me, it's somehow secure. It is secure, it is fast, not really faster, but it is fast. It's better than flying through the road. Yes, so it's economical. All right, you just pay just few token, then you are good to go. No more, no less. The entertainment inside the train is not too pronounced. You just put your earpiece, you listen to music, and you are good to go. So guys, thanks for watching. This is Matt Anton IT. Yeah, have a lovely week.